Alright guys, so if you're facing the problem of Excel worksheet area is grayed out or blank, here's the solution for that, how you can fix this issue. It is a common problem that your Excel data not showing in your Microsoft Excel. So here's the quick solution, just 1 minute. First of all, you need to go and select the view tab into your menu bar. And then simply from here under the window section, you need to tap on arrange all. Select that option. And simply now you need to go and select the tiled, which is the first option, and simply make sure that you have untick this option like Windows of active workbook. You need to untick it and simply go with OK. So if you have done it, you can see your data will be backed and there will be no grayed out area or blank area. So that's how you can simply solve this issue. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.